God declares through Ezekiel that repentance brings life. The past cannot imprison a heart that is repentant. Conversion rewrites our future. Jesus deepens the commandment for us. Righteousness goes beyond external obedience. Anger, resentment, broken relationships, they require Christ's healing. Reconciliation matters before our worship. St. Gregory of Narek understood this deeply. His prayers reveal a heart that's stripped bare before God, trusting divine mercy to heal what sin damages. Lent invites this interior conversion. So yes, you can give apologies, you can surrender the anger, you can even restore the relationships. But what's most important is to realign our hearts before God. Holiness can only grow where we allow humility to open space for God's divine life. So here's my challenge. Today, seek reconciliation. Issue an apology to someone you've hurt. Make peace with them if possible, especially if it's someone you've avoided. And if that is impossible, in the interiority of your heart, pray for the grace to completely forgive what has been done to you.